Four Corners. Look Up by Tami Morton. Looking into space. What do you see when you look at the night sky? Do you ever wonder what is out there? If you do, you are in the company of great thinkers and scientists. About 400 years ago, an astronomer named Galileo looked at the sky in a new way. He used a telescope. A telescope is an instrument that makes distant objects appear closer. When using the telescope, Galileo could see the moon, the planets, and the stars more clearly than ever before. Since Galileo's time, scientists have improved telescopes so much he would not recognize them. When you look at the sky through a telescope, you can see into space. When looking at space from Earth using a telescope, there are sometimes problems. Clouds can hide the night sky. Bright city lights make it hard to see stars and planets. Moving air in the Earth's atmosphere can also block our view of objects in space. In 1946, an astronomer named Lyman Spitzer had a great idea. He suggested sending a telescope into space. Scientists hoped that such a telescope would help people understand more about space and the universe. They began planning the first space telescope almost 25 years after Spitzer had the idea. How the Hubble telescope works. The Hubble is a reflector telescope. Its 2.5 meters wide main mirror collects light. Its small mirror helps to focus the light. Both mirrors are tucked inside a long, hollow tube. Building the Hubble. Scientists called this first space telescope the Hubble Space Telescope, HST, or the Hubble. It took great imagination and years of planning to build. Scientists began planning the Hubble in the early 1970s. They designed special mirrors, cameras, and other equipment needed for the telescope. Edwin Hubble. The Hubble Space Telescope was named after Edwin Powell Hubble, one of America's greatest astronomers. In the 1920s and 1930s, he made many important discoveries about space and the universe. The mirror measured 2.5 meters across and weighed more than 770 kilograms. The U.S. government agreed in 1977 to put aside money to pay for the Hubble. A group of European countries and Canada also agreed to put aside money. Thousands of people were working on the telescope by 1985. The United States and Europe worked together to design and build the Hubble. Europe built special cameras and solar cell panels. The United States provided the telescope's mirrors and other scientific instruments. Scientists had to solve many problems when building the Hubble. The Hubble had to be strong enough to be launched into space. Scientists had to build special equipment so they could control the telescope from Earth. Building the Hubble took more time and money than planned. The Hubble was finally ready for launch after